Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this radon gas detector from the manufacturer X-Sense Electronics to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, it comes with a quick start guide to get you started, and then a radon alarm user's manual. Comes in a variety of languages as well. Looks like there's some peel and stick labels that you can put on maybe the side of the device, maybe start and stop times. So let's look at the radon detector. You have an LCD screen. We'll peel this protection off of it. You have an LED light. This is a peak level button. This is a backlight feature that'll light this up. You have the air intake area on each side of your radon detector. QR code that will link you to the X-Sense information. You have a couple of rubber padded feet here to prevent the device from sliding around. It just takes 3 AA alkaline batteries, 1.5 volts each. That's underneath here. We'll go ahead and pull the tab to get it activated. So it should automatically come on and you can see the device. And it does a self-calibrating that you can see here. There's no additional things you need to do to set it up. Upper left-hand corner says LTA, that's a long-term average. So that's what this number will give you here. And then STA will give you your short-term average. Press this button here on the left. That'll give you your maximum peak level during a certain time frame, and then you have the backlight that you can turn on, and it should automatically go off after a few seconds, or you can simply keep it pressed in and it'll stay on. Okay, you can just leave this running around the clock. It's best and more accurate to look at the data across a 7-day period. And according to the manufacturing book, the readings will be more accurate over time. It's recommended monitoring continuously for at least 7 days. And then it continues recording from the last saved data after power restoration, or if you power it off in intervals. According to the manufacturer, the batteries will last up to 2 years on a single use. Okay, I linked to the QR code in the back, and it links to basically a form under X-Sense. You have a place that you can put your name, address, building type, room type, floor, measured days, end date, long-term average, and then a verification code, and then type in any notes, and then you can generate a report. They can send you a report based on the information that you've provided. So as you can see, it doesn't show any data yet because it's just initially been turned on. So I'm gonna let it run overnight, check it out tomorrow, and see if it's got any data recorded onto the radon detector. Okay, the meter did pick up some readings after leaving it on continuously for 1 day overnight, and I'll continue to leave it on for 7 days and then look at the numbers. But I'm not sure if you can see the numbers or not. I'll turn the backlight on, but it's 1.05 picocuries per liter compared to occupational safety and health standards of 100 or less over a 7-day period. So this is well within the OSHA exposure limits. So if you're looking for an easy to use radon detector, then I highly recommend this from X-Sense.